Hey everyone, so today I'm doing something different. I'm doing pre-made breakfast burritos, and I've never made these before, so this is new to me. I just thought I'd try it out. But basically you're gonna need 2 dozen eggs. For every 2 dozen eggs you're gonna want a 1/4 cup of milk, so I got a cup of milk here. Or I mean, for every 6 eggs you want a 1/4 cup of milk, so I got a cup here. And then I got 2 pounds of ground turkey breakfast turkey sausage, because my husband doesn't like pork. And then I got some cheese. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna add. I'm gonna bake these tater tots and then mash them up and then add them to the mixture. I already have the oven preheating. He doesn't like too much onion, so I just got this little baby onion I'm gonna add, and then I'm gonna add some chopped up peppers. I'm gonna saute the peppers and onion. And then also for every 6 eggs you want a 1/2 teaspoon salt. So I have 2 teaspoons of salt already in the bowl. And then yeah, that's basically what you need. And so start getting this going. I'll show you where I'm at. So I just cracked all my eggs and I beat them with an egg beater. It took 2 seconds. And this is heating up. I'm about to throw in this breakfast sausage. While that is browning, I'm going to chop up this onion. I'm going to dice it and then dice up some peppers and get some oil in a pan and saute those. And I'll show you where I'm at then. So I chopped up 6 peppers, 2 of each color. I got the chopped up onion, ground turkey, breakfast sausage is done. I got the eggs in the pan, the oil heating up. I'm about to dump these in right now. Alright, so I have the eggs, sausage, and peppers and onions all in here. Don't do what I did. I put it on way too high of a heat and it kind of got singed in some places in the eggs. But I took these tater tots and I just literally mashed them up, chopped them up with this spatula, just so it'll spread throughout the mixture and it won't be just chunks of potato. So I'm going to dump that in, mix it all up, and then I'll be ready. Actually, I think I'm going to let them cool first. And then I'll be ready to add the cheese, mix that in, and then assemble the burritos. Here's everything all mixed up. And I changed my mind. I think I'm just going to start assembling them, add the cheese as I go. And I'll show you how I do that. So I have everything laid out. I don't know how many sheets I laid down, parchment paper, but there's plenty. And then I'm starting out with 10 soft taco tortillas. You can get the burrito ones if you want a bigger breakfast burrito. But I'm going to do that, and then I got more. I'm probably going to use all of them. There's 30 total. And then I got the cheese, and I'm just going to start assembling them. So I'm going to take some of this mixture. Some cheese. And then I'm going to fold this side, and then roll. Just like that. Okay, so then, just like I did the burrito, all at once, this side, and that side, and then here you are, and that's how you roll them. That is how I make breakfast burritos first try. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.